Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. We are currently in Darling Square for a few reasons. I have seen a few posts about Darling Square currently being Hello Kitty themed, and I figured I wanted to check it out and see what it's all about. And in addition to that, I really do want to revisit some of the restaurants that I wasn't able to check out in my last Darling Square video because they weren't open. So in today's video, hopefully they are open. According to Google, they are open. So let's go. So unless I'm mistaken, it seems like the whole Hello Kitty thing is this huge inflatable, and then they have like all the different restaurants that's in Darling Square. They have like different Hello Kitty themed things. So there's like a Hello Kitty burger, there's a Hello Kitty Toasty Smith thing, and then I see some drinks that have like a Hello Kitty thing on top. I will check it out in a little while to see if there's more stuff. But for now, I'm gonna take you to the place that was closed when I first came here. Okay, so we have just arrived at Iko Mazi Soba here in Darling Square. So this place serves a specialty ramen. They serve a type of brothless ramen, and instead of the broth, you replace it with this umami soy sauce, and you can also add vinegar, and then you mix it all around. It's really, really delicious. And I especially love it during summer because sometimes the broth might be a bit too hot. I just got what's the name of it is? Oh, the menu's not here anymore. I'll put it right here. This is my go-to. We have char siu, we have seaweed, we have spring onions, and a very nice onsen egg. And you mix it all up with the sauces. It's gonna be delicious. Look how big their spoons are. This is bigger than my soup spoons at home. Okay, so essentially these noodles are cooked to order. So once you've put your order in, they start a timer and they cook your ramen noodles, and then they add like a umami soy sauce base into your bowl. And in the meantime, they char your char siu, and you can sort of smell the fat sort of melting. And then once your noodles are done, the timer will ring and they add all the toppings on top. I've added both the kombu vinegar and also the chili oil. I might add more vinegar in just a little bit. I love it. Every time I come here, I always get the same thing. So if you have another go-to, please let me know and I'll get that next time. The noodles are so chewy and it's got a nice thickness to it, so it just attaches to the sauces that's in your bowl. The egg is also really perfectly cooked, so as I cut into it or poked into it with my chopsticks, the yolk just sort of ran out. You should mix this sooner rather than later because the heat from the noodles kind of cooked the egg a little bit, but it just becomes the sauce as well. I do think I need a little bit more vinegar because I'm quite partial to things that are tart. And before I forget, I do want to say that char siu, it's fatty and it's still very, very tender. Okay, that was delicious, and it was really cool to see their noodle making process as well. She was telling me that this was like the third batch that she had to make today because it was quite busy today. And the entire process for making these noodles is anywhere between, I think, 40 to 50 minutes. It seems like it's a very time-consuming and lengthy process, which makes me appreciate those ramen noodles even more. All right, so I decided to buy into the hype and I've gotten myself a Kitty strawberry crush. Now this is what it looks like. It's from a place called Bubble Nini. When I went up, I was like, do you have a Hello Kitty themed drink for today? And they're like, yes, is this one? And they put it onto their register immediately. And I was like, okay, I'll just get this. A lot of people got this one as well. Today is honestly just the perfect day. It's sunny, not too windy, and it's still not too hot. So like sitting out here with drinks, with some snacks would be perfect. Anyway, here is the Hello Kitty Bubble Nini. Let me tell you what it's all about. It's like strawberry crushed ice with cream mixed in between. Yeah, it's okay. So the whole Hello Kitty theme, as I understand it, is they have a huge Hello Kitty inflatable in the middle, and then a lot of the restaurants and cafes in the vicinity, they all have like a Hello Kitty themed dish. The ramen place that we just went to, they have a special Hello Kitty ramen. The cafe have a whole Hello Kitty menu, including drinks, pastries, food. If you try any of the cafes here and they have a pretty cool Hello Kitty menu item, let me know. I'd love to try it as well. And yeah. All right, and that pretty much concludes our little Darling Square adventure. I bumped into a lot of you guys who watched the videos. Thank you so much for saying hi. This isn't it for today's video yet. I do want to take you to some other places, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Hi. We are currently in Eastwood, reason being in one of my previous videos, I think the video before last, I did a what I eat in a day video and I included a dumpling dish, and I didn't anticipate the number of comments I get from you guys asking where I got these dumplings. In fact, my mum called me afterwards and was like, why are you not responding to people's comments about where you're getting these dumplings? I just thought it'd be easier if I showed you where it was. This place is a little bit further away from where the rest of the restaurants and shops and cafes are in Eastwood, but what that means is it's going to be a little bit easier for you to find parking when you do come here. So let me show you exactly where I get my frozen dumplings. So this is the place I'm talking about. All right, I have got my dumplings. They sell a variety of different things. You've got, of course, your wontons, your dumplings. They also sell shumais and spring rolls, and there's just a huge variety, and there's xiaolongbao as well. So yeah, if you're in the area and you just want something to put in your freezer for, you know, when you're peckish at night, come check this place out. Or for whatever scenario, it doesn't have to be a late night snack. This is super versatile. If you want ideas on what to do with dumplings, check out my video right here. So, just a quick FYI, I ended up getting a vegetable and pork wonton. I also got the cabbage and pork dumplings, and I also got the shumai, which you can just steam. I better get home quick before they melt. Okay, so for tonight's dinner, this is what we're going to be using to make our dinner. We have carrots, potatoes, red onions. Typically I use brown, but I ran out. And we also have some chicken thigh fillets. You might not be able to guess what we're making just yet, but this next item is going to be a dead giveaway. So for tonight's dinner, we are making Japanese curry with this curry mix. So they have the option of like being mild, medium, hot, or extra hot, and we've opted for medium. So right in the middle of the scale. And yeah, this makes it very, very easy to make curry. Okay, so once your chicken is kind of browned, you can start adding in all your potatoes and carrots into the pot. Okay, this is a tip that my friend taught me. Add a bit of grated apple into your Japanese curry because it gives it a bit of a subtle sweetness that makes it really, really tasty. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is just so hard to clean. The rice is done. The curry is pretty much done. I think we're ready. Alright, and here is our chicken curry. We've got potatoes, carrots, apple, and of course, we have to eat this with rice. I cannot wait. It smells so good. I know that this packet said, I think medium hot. It's not really that hot at all. It's nice and sweet. I think the apple definitely helps enhance the sweetness of this curry, and the carrots as well, for sure. This is delicious. And now I'm gonna have lunch and probably tomorrow's dinner as well, all sorted. If you do try out this curry, let me know how you go. If you have any tips or tricks, let me know as well. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I post new videos every week. Check them out if you have time. Have an amazing rest of the week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, and here we have the chicken curry. We've got potatoes.